Hello, I'm your travel god. Welcome to my channel. Book us a room. Looking for the best vacation destinations, the best hotels or resorts, the best eateries and attractions? Well, I'm here to share with you all that information and make your travel plans less stressful and more fulfilling. Whether you are traveling alone, with a spouse, or even in a large group, I have everything you need right here. On this channel, you will find a variety of videos on everything you will need to prepare for that perfect getaway, from places to stay, flights, cruises, areas to visit while you are there, the best food their culture has to offer, and more. You will see top 3 videos, top 5 videos, and I may even throw in some top 10 videos every now and then. So grab a pen and paper and get ready for a new itinerary as we journey to fantastical places to give you a breathtaking experience. Now don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and let me know in the comment section below what you are looking for when you're planning your next holiday or vacation. I mean, that's why this channel exists, so you can receive the best tips and information you need to make your trip memorable with everlasting moments.